Fat girls, see skinny girls' activities and leave them alone. Hallelujah. You see, some of the fluffy girls out there, some of the oversized women need to understand and accept. No on a lane. If you weigh 250 pounds, stripping pole is not for you. It is not for you. Me not say fat girls can't pole dancing. But you see, if you have a strip and if you have a pole dance, use something that can hold up the weight. Like a light post. The concrete one them with JPS I put up now. Use some of them one and stop using the regular pole. Cause it not gonna hold you. Now look on this girl. Eh? Look on like a big blueberry kebab, but she gonna jump up on a stripping pole. Me tell you, you know fat girl, stay away from one color clothes. Stay away from them. Certain things you never leave to the skinny girls. You cannot be wearing skinny girl clothes. You cannot be doing skinny girl activities. Because 17 in every one time a fat girl try a skinny girl activity, it not turn out so good. And you see the ratio me just go to 17 in a 1 is not in your favor. Looking like a goddamn Teletubby. Blue dress looking like a queen size NDM flag. Another thing, where was her man? Where was her man? Where were her friends for say, yo, no go up there, so look how you big. You know the saying goes, everything that goes up that is over 250 pounds must come down like a rotten jackfruit. Timber! Me kind of wonder to like, why them people are so brave? Every time I see something that has the potential to be disastrous, I retreat to a safe distance. I grab some popcorn, put on my 3D glasses, and enjoy the show. Now this is why your friends don't carry you out on a regular, because every time you get frost, you all of a sudden feel slim. You want cartwheel, you want jump off a soundbox, you want jump up on man, you want pole dance. The only thing me I wonder is like, how comes them never report the earthquake there? Because I sure know you cause one when you drop on the floor. If you listen real good, you can hear the cellulose collide with the concrete. Just listen good. Speaking of indie dancehall, people, I don't watch porn. Let me finish. I don't watch porn on regular porn site. Dancehall music videos have become my daily source of pornographic material. I don't know what I talk about Demarco video. First thing, let me say this. The song sound good, you know. Love you, all that girl them need for workout, them man they can work out to that tune back. Anyways, the video now. The video kinda confused me. It look like it's a compilation YouTube videos. Demarco used to make that one here. I don't know the direction where the video really did go, because it start out the niggas them attack and then you drive off in a one car at night when I the day where you're there, and then you see this pussy eye girl. I mean this girl with some unusual eyes in a one hotel room. It look like she a wait for you, but you gonna do the threesome with the other two women them. I don't understand. But the main focus was the threesome. 2 girls and 1 Demarco. If I have 2 females waiting in my bed, I do exactly what him do. I broke my neck for go. But I don't know what's going on with dancehall. Demarco, one today, I love my life tune them. I'm gonna make a remix. Me don't know where tomorrow might bring, so me a make up on film today. Me a turn pan star today. Dancehall now make no money. Yeah. Demarco look like him a go through some teenage personality crisis. Cause him have the Cisco here, the recross beard, and then him have the Jesus strike them in our head side. But I don't know Demarco, wow. Because if you married a Yamicalin type of video, then go find a wife like your own bossy. Why I don't know, I go with some of them video. Wonder if you know dancehall artists, alright, mental. There are other ways to get your music noticed, you know. There are other ways to gain publicity. But I mean, you are all big people and that's what you feel to do, then do it. But more time, me pre-say some other dancehall artist want to slap across the head with a piece of stick for no parent. Just like that woman here.
Eric, look at blood clot.
Young girls, I want and all the while, you know. Granny them tired of who know, I take with them man. Enough more who know out there to get them kind of liquor.
Your blood clot. Your blood clot. Your blood clot.
Arthritis couldn't tap granny from put on a lick them on
Your blood clot.
After the lick them, permanent brain damage. What surprised me is that the wig never fly off so hard the lick they connect. Big up Keisha downtown. You stitch the wig there like a dressmaker.
Your blood clot, you know, stay.
No, she wasn't ready. Never turn your back when you argue with somebody with a stick in them hand.
Your blood clot.
Wait, what? permanent brain damage.
Your blood clot.
Grandma look like she say charge up on her one. She bust a Dragon Ball Z charge up. Kame. Ah! And the girl put her foot and get shook.
Your blood clot.
West Indies, we don't need to recruit that granny. You hear me?
Clot, you know, stay.
Grandma, I know you can't go to church Sunday, you know. You go here, go to church and forgiveness if you go beg for. Cause you just rings up the cloth them. So. Thank you for joining us today here at Sabina Park, the home and cemetery of the West Indies cricket team. Today we have a match between Granny and Young Gal. We're about to kick it off right now. Here comes Young Gal with the first delivery of the game. If you are wondering what she is going to bowl, it's her head. And Young Gal coming down the pitch, she bowls this one and Granny cracks this one off into leg side. It is over the stadium into the car park, smashing a few car windows, bouncing along the road, and under the sea. That one has landed under the sea. That is 6 runs. Young Gal, your head gone. Now in this case, the head and a slap way. No? This head a clot with 4. This head a last. Cricket game done. This woman is going to have headaches for at least 16 years. Miss you next week, you see me? This is Kevin Too Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Yes, man.